What's up, sneakerheads? Today, I'm reviewing a fresh pair straight from Kickwho.cc. And if you're into sneakers, you're gonna want to hear this. These guys are the plug for high-quality kicks without the insane reseller prices. The craftsmanship, spot on, comfort, durability, and that premium feel we all want. Honestly, I've been rocking their sneakers for years, and they still look and feel amazing. Here's why Kickwho stands out. They've got all the heat, whether it's a hyped drop you missed or a classic pair you've been hunting for. Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, you name it, they've got it. And for way less than you'd pay anywhere else. Now here's the kicker. Use my code DECENT20 at checkout to save $10 on your order. Not only does it save you money, but it also supports my channel so I can keep bringing you more sneaker reviews and content. And if this is your first time here, make sure to check out the other reviews on my channel. I cover everything from styling tips to how these kicks hold up over time. Whether you're a die-hard collector or just looking for your next go-to pair, there's something for you. Kickwho.cc is where quality meets affordability. And trust me, once you try them, you'll never want to overpay for sneakers again. Links in the description. Check them out, grab a pair, and don't forget to use the code. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.